The G357 as a whole is responsible for planning, training, and operations, but in this particular case it's planning.
We project for any a myriad of things that could happen. Those include hurricanes, any chemical, nuclear, biological, or natural disaster that we would be presented with in the NORTHCOM area. We work kind of in concert with AR North in terms of the products that we produce, the initiatives that we take part in, and any planning and efforts are in sync with AR North.
We're looking for a plan that protects the homeland from any enemies. So it could be near-peer competitors, it could be terrorist organizations, and so forth. And so yeah, we look at all the different scenarios, and then we come up with a plan that looks at most likely threats as well as most dangerous threats. Around October time frame, we finished mission analysis, and we started to do COA development, course of action development. And so right now we're going into the wargaming phase.
We've already been working this initiative. Major General Mosier had what we called a sustainment planners meeting about a month back, where all the sustainment partners were brought online to discuss, to begin the conversation about sustainment.
The big heavy lifter is the SPO, our support operations section, but all the staff has to some degree some input to any major plan. The broader planning community with all the warfighting functions is assembled in December. In November we're looking primarily at personnel, logistics, medical, and all the other sustainment functions. But I think there's something like 23 different staff sections, and I think that, each one of them has some piece in the broader puzzle.
Well, COVID-19's made us cover down quite a bit. We can't have as many hands-on, face-to-face meetings and preparation planning conferences as we would like to have. We've had to rely on Microsoft Teams and other communication platforms to get everything done. It's complicated things, but it hasn't stopped the mission in any way, shape, or form.
I think every planner would say they'd want more time, but for the time that we've been given, we've done some solid analysis, and so we prioritize what we're looking at, what critical events that we can see in the plan, and then we target those for analysis, and then we go back and refine. First it's it's a challenge, and we love challenges, and so everybody on the team is going to rise to it and put out a good event.